Miss Abdul, would you please remove your shirt?
Oh, he's asked you to take the top off.
Mr. Goddard, I like to relax as much as the next man.
Everybody's getting their kit off.
Indulge me, sir. I will prove beyond doubt that Paula Abdul is in fact obsessed with my client, and that as a result of him consistently rejecting her advances, she is now seeking to punish him in the most grotesque way imaginable.
No. Yeah.
Your Honour, I strongly object to this.
Of course.
Come on, off with it.
What?
That was kiss off time.
That's brilliant. So she's sitting there. He's taking his kit off. The judge has got his t-shirt off. He's sitting there with his Balinese necklaces. And now he's waiting for her. And she's doing it. She's doing it. She has a bra underneath. Good news.
May I get dressed now?
What were you thinking? Turn around, please.
Turn around. Okay. On her back is a ginormous tattoo of his face. Hi, my name is Melanie Thorley and I'm a solicitor at MJT Law, and welcome to the Lawcast. Today we're going to watch a short clip from a TV show back in 2011 called Spy. It's a British TV show and I actually really liked it. But there is a scene in it at the very end of season 1, which only has a handful of episodes attached to it, and this is halfway through the final episode of the season, and we've got the male lead in court fighting for his to get more custody or spending time with his son, who is I think around 12 years old. Hard to tell, but anyway, they're all in this. The wife, the husband, and in particular the judge turns up. So let's see how this goes. All waiting dutifully as they should.
Good luck.
You can do this.
All right.
Lean forward, talk. There's the sun.
You're kidding. That is hilarious.
Okay, so the judge has turned up in a t-shirt, his robes, and he's chatting on the phone.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah.
Everybody's pretty unhappy about this.
Okay. Bye. That was Dave. He was just, no, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Everyone here? Yes.
I'm not sure why his robes are purple, but you know, whatever.
Screwed, aren't you?
I am now. Wait!
But wait, there's more! Okay, this is his friend turns
Goddard, son
up.
of the Right Honourable Lord Hugh de Malmsley Goddard.
Father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife. Sorry, Anne, a bit overexcited.
Cecil.
Is this correct? Is Mr. Pitt Goddard your counsel?
Yes, sir.
Marvellous. Let's get this party started. Bang, Mr. Will.
Okay, so far, the beginning of the court, all rise, fine, no issues there. The judge comes in on his mobile phone in a t-shirt and his robes, a little bit unusual, and he's chatting, he's jibber-jabbing on the phone and he's getting off the phone. Everyone's basically waiting for him because he's a judge. And the lead character is sitting there waiting on his own, and the judge has just said, "You're on your own, are you, dude?" And he's gone, "Mm-hmm." He goes, "A bit screwed." And he goes, "Yep." And then his mate turns up in the suit looking better than we've ever seen in the entire series, basically declaring he's a lawyer, which is the first we've heard of it. And this all seems okay. So usually lawyers have to put appearances in, proper appearances, not just, you know, my dad is important, and they have to have filed documents to say that they're acting for. It's incredibly unusual for this to happen kind of all at the same moment in time. But anyway, the judge is wearing a t-shirt, he's just got off his phone, he's hit his gavel on the thing, and he's going, "Right, let's get moving, everybody." So let's see what happens next.
Take all the time you need. I'm sorry.
Dutifully upset mum.
Just such a difficult time for me.
The
mother.
barrister is standing over her like, you know,
So awful. Shame on you, sir.
With respect, Your Honour, my client, being the father, is equally distraught at having to negotiate for the affection of his only son.
Yes, forgotten that. Good point. What all? How am I doing?
I'm sorry?
I'm a bit out of practice. I've been off for 10 months travelling around Indonesia with the family. Tremendously rich country culturally. You been?
No, not yet.
Mr. Goddard?
Oh, I was an aid worker in the Palangkaraya district in '98.
Really?
He smiles like he's got points for being travelled.
Please, could you tell your findings to the court, Ms. Abdul? Your name is Paula Abdul?
Over the several weeks that I worked with the family, it became increasingly clear to me that Mr. Elliot was not capable of forming the emotional bonds necessary to be a satisfactory guardian.
So this is the
And
counsellor.
so it's your recommendation that Marcus ought to live with his mother?
Absolutely. With immediate
That was
effect.
definitely leading the witness, but let's just move on from that.
Miss Abdul, would you please remove your shirt?
Oh, he's asked to take a top off.
Mr. Goddard, I like to relax as much as the next man.
Everybody's getting their kit off.
Indulge me, sir. I will prove beyond doubt that Paula Abdul is in fact obsessed with my client, and that as a result of him consistently rejecting her advances, she is now seeking to punish him in the most grotesque way imaginable.
No.
Yeah,
Your Honour, I strongly object to this.
of course.
Come on, off with it.
What?
No, it's off time.
That's brilliant. He's sitting there. He's taking his kit off. The judge has got his t-shirt off. He's sitting there with his Balinese necklaces, and now he's waiting for her. And she's doing it. She's doing it. She has a bra underneath. Good news.
May I get dressed now?
What were you thinking? Turn around, please.
Turn around. Okay. On her back is a ginormous tattoo of his face.
He's dead inside. He doesn't know how to live!
Yeah, well, your evidence is like totally whatever right now.
This is ridiculous. Your Honour, Tim cannot offer...
So right now we have a judge without a top on. We've got a witness who's got her bra on, and she's got a giant photo or giant tattoo of the lead character on her back, and she's saying all these things presumably because she is got sour grapes. I guess she's it's unrequited love. And now we've got the judge going, oh, this is your testimony is just rubbish. On a base level, yeah, her credibility is going to be damaged by this. So what do you do next? We've got the mum who's about to throw a little mummy tantrum. The barrister's completely, blown away by this, and the court process is a complete
The
sham.
balanced home life that Marcus needs. Philip and I would provide the guidance of a father and a mother. Tim has no one in his life. No wife, no girlfriend. He is incapable of love.
Which you're
I'm not sure that's a level of requirement to have a life partner to look after a child. But
Honor, Tim is in love.
Are you?
Am I?
Tim is in love with the woman he works with, Caitlin Banks.
Is this true?
I think so.
Sir, it is the best kind of love. The kind of love you dare not admit to yourself in case you're mistaken. A love born out of a friendship and a trust. A love of which you're not even aware.
I feel like now we're in a scene of Princess Bride or something.
Your heart a vacuum. And so it remains gasping until resuscitated by a simple smile.
Very nice.
Tim is capable of love, sir.
Oh, the
Love
judge
for a
is
woman.
very moved.
Love for a friend. And love for a son.
Does he have his tie tucked into his shirt? It does kind of look like it, doesn't it? Oh,
Was.
bravo!
Does this Caitlin, does she reciprocate?
I don't know, I think so. I haven't actually been able to tell her exactly how I feel.
You must.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Right. Aren't we?
No, I've heard enough.
Your Honour.
Shut your face, Wilkes.
Oh.
I will consider this matter and issue my judgment later today. Now, go!
Thank
Go!
you. Yes,
Okay. Judge is feeling very pleased with himself.
Got it.
The lead character just ran out to see his beloved. I love this scene. Okay. Okay, it's got a bit crazy. The judge coming in, all rise. Yes, 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 I like that. Him standing there in a t-shirt. Well, look, to be fair, there's no rule against it, so a little bit unusual. I've never seen it myself. His informal attitude towards the parties, probably not going to happen in real life. He's not going to get his kid off. The witness isn't going to get her kid off. Nobody's going to ask this guy to run out of the hearing before it's all finished. It is a little bit unusual, but what I wanted to do is just show you how much fun a rogue judge can be. We've done a lot of lawyers getting up to mischief, a lot of witnesses getting up to mischief, but this was by far my favourite judge scene ever. Okay, so that was the movie of Spy, 2011 series, last episode. Actually, I really liked it, and it's not realistic at all, but actually a lot of fun. I hope you've enjoyed watching the Lawcast for today. We'll do something a little bit more serious next week, but this week it was The Spy. Well, not The Spy, sorry. Spy. 2011 British TV series. Thanks you very much. Thanks for watching the Lawcast. Bye-bye.